All right, so it's day 3 of our trucking build. We got a couple things to wrap up here on the suspension. We're throwing some brakes at it, bumpers, light bar on top. Let's get at it. Okay, so let's pull it off the frame rail, Christian. Boom, boom. Frame rail, slide it out. Then we'll pull those brackets off, mount it to that bumper, slide it back in, I'm thinking.
Okay.
Where's Hazel at?
Oh, yeah, huh?
F***ing Hazel.
He's probably stuck in traffic. Hey, Jay, I wonder if those ones that you pulled off of the side, I think they might be only for that hook.
Okay, we gotta pull the hooks out anyway.
Okay.
We'll grab this side.
Okay.
So the new bumper, we gotta pull these off anyway, because I think the new bumper goes right to here anyway. So let's just
pointed that out. There was 3 bolts.
Pull those off real quick. That should come off. So the sensors need to come out.
Yep. There's 4 of them.
Yep, 4 sensors on here. And then those things should just bolt right on, man. So the kit comes with a die, just so you can refinish the threads once you cut it.
Do we got a ratcheting wrench on this?
Don't butter me, Grandma.
There we go.
Wait, hold on.
Oh.
Yeah, okay, go ahead.
All right.
I mean, we're sure, right? 1 1/4 inch, yeah?
Sweet. That easy cheesy. All right, so we've moved to the last step. Really, with the front suspension, is actually adding the sway bar drop brackets. We'll just put these in loosely until we get the sway bars on.
Hold on. All right, you're in. Give it a quick squirt. Yep. Yeah, we're good.
Okay. I'm just gonna keep filling it.
Hold on. Let's put that plug in if you're gonna keep doing that.
Okay. Not through there. I'm gonna feed it through here first until it comes out, and then I'll plug it up somewhat, and then I'll let it come in more.
Good deal.
Here you go.
Oh, perfect.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
No. We gotta put the sway bar extension links on.
Oh, okay. That's why
actually, we need to loosen those up.
That's why I don't feel it.
So my mistake, I actually tighten these down. You want to keep them loose right now?
I had a feeling, I was like, wait, are we doing this?
So sweet. So we've got the new sway bar extension links in there. We're gonna tighten up and tighten all the sway bar stuff up.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna start here by installing the front brake discs, and they've already done a lot of the work for me. Everything's taken apart on the front, so it's gonna make it a little easy for me. So we're gonna start by putting the right front rotor on.
There's one right there, sir.
I was telling these guys earlier, the only time I've ever really done a whole lot of this is whenever I change on my own truck at home. That's just a little different. Every day I usually spend doing this on race cars, so.
Okay. Switch the pads.
We went ahead and removed the old clips out of the caliper bracket and just gonna replace it with some fresh ones here. All right, right front's done.
Oh my gosh, it's not a 19. GM's like, hey, let's use one of every size on this truck.
You can use the power tools again.
Sweet, thank you. See if I can be trusted.
That was the reason why you weren't allowed to use power tools.
Hey, you ain't doing it right if you're not stripping it.
That's what you...
Almost done with them right here. I'll hand them to you. Here you
No
go.
rush. Oh, too fast for me. Yep. Hang on a second.
Goes like, there you go.
We
that
put the
look good
short
to
guy on the wrench. He's on his toes.
Yeah.
You're doing good though.
Yeah.
We're good up here.
All right, you snug?
I'm snug like a bug.
Boom, all right.
All right, try to do the other ones.
I guess we gotta take the stuff out of the rear to lower this thing back down.
Yeah.
Oh, I felt this thing go like.
Yeah. I took the jack out from under the rear.
We're putting the stock grill and headlights back in this?
It's gonna get another grill, but stock headlights.
When's
But we
the grill
gotta
gonna be
wait
here?
for it. Friday.
Dude,
It'll be
come on,
tomorrow.
guys.
It may arrive today, but the latest tomorrow. So.
You know we are doing this in a week, right?
Totally. We got 2 more days. We got 2.5 days.
When you say we,
all of us.
Mayor, look at the rendering up top has the stock grill on there.
Kinda.
I'll get the wrench
belly
and
grill.
hold him, and you swing for the knees. This is a rack. Goes on top of the truck. And it's going to house some lights and whatever other accessories we decide to put on. So that's first step, is to get these little.
Anthony, those things should be straight, not at an angle.
Okay.
Clock at 45 degrees. Well, that alignment ain't gonna be easy to push.
Factory. Yeah,
Those things are screwed all the way in.
Oh yeah.
So
Let's start in the middle here.
Oh.
Dink, dink. Why did we use those and not the factory ones? Do you have to use those for
no,
the
those are the
knuckle?
factory
Those are the
ones.
factory ones.
Oh,
They cut them short so they can come in more, but they didn't come in them.
They didn't come in at all. I could have screwed them in that far.
well, we can move that jam nut and screw them in more, can't we?
Isn't the jam nut already all the way in?
No,
Yeah.
no, those threads go all the way down.
No, that's it.
That's it.
That's it?
Yeah,
That's
that's
it.
it. They're screwed all the way in. Hey, Mike, it's Jason over at the tech center. Hey, we just put the wheels on this thing and lowered it down, and the toe is out like a ton, and we're screwed all the way in. I've never re-threaded added threads to a rack before.
Wrong way, yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
Hold on.
Thanks.
You have that tap naturally because everyone
No, they
does.
give you one with the
Yeah.
kit.
Oh, there's one? Okay.
Yeah.
They actually provided it.
Oh, then we should have figured that out.
You can hop on the tire, Jay, if you have to.
Got it? I'm good.
Okay, we're just on the inside of the plastic strip, so let's just run some tape along that.
Okay, let's put this in the bed. Back.
Got it. Right there, perfect.
On the inside. Let's just,
There you go.
tape's cheap. Party time!
Yippee!
I'm like an inch. I'm an inch even now.
Okay, I'm an inch.
Okay.
That's why you use a 1/16, and these holes are like 3/16, so we don't have it perfectly centered. Through the headliner.
I don't trusted and all, but
Please edit the fart out.
maybe
My wife gets really embarrassed when those go on there. So it's please.
They got in my mouth.
I did shoot it at you. I think this thing has to come out.
what thing? The trailer hitch.
No, that's the for the spare tire.
Oh, loosely.
Do you remember, Christian, when you said, "Hey, while Chris is getting that tool, let's just take that bumper off real quick"?
Yeah, I do.
Isn't he back?
He's done.
Yeah.
He's finishing up.
Thanks for giving me the easy part.
It's all gonna get done.
I want to play.
There it is. 1, 2. Buckle my shoe. If we cut here and here.
Yeah, we might as well. We've already hacked it up this far.
We got a new bumper for him.
This is in the step-by-step instructions from GM. Someone's gonna complain. The fuck can you get the bumper off?
We could, but we only have a week to do it. Whoops.
You know there's a way easier way to
I
get this
hate
thing
this
off.
truck. Now it's gone full-blown hate.
Awesome. I've had it the whole time. Don't listen to Christian.
Sweet. You look clear.
Well, that pretty much sucked. Right on top of them.
Perfect. I'm lined up. Do you want me to get like a subcapitate or something?
That bumper's about to make me go home. We're allowed to punch the truck,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah,
we can do that.
Yeah, it don't matter.
It's not the truck's fault.
Wires are gonna have to go from there down the A pillar and then down into the engine compartment. Will be the cleanest, where we won't see anything except maybe a tiny bit of stuff going into where the roof channel is, right here. If you guys can hold it, I'll plug this stuff. I'll plug everything in.
Yep.
Exactly what we're.
Try not to do.
All right. Well, let's.
Does it go from the inside to the outside?
Yeah. Does now.
You just don't want to hit the
Keep it down up there. I'm trying to sleep.
Sorry.
Okay, so we got the rack up on the roof. We're gonna take the light bar, test fit it, see how we go. Trip over some wires. Here you go, Jeremy. Come on, Christian, crawl like a monkey.
It's the end of day 3 and they're just wrapping up the install of the lights. They're getting some of the wiring done. Bumpers are on. The truck's down on the ground, but not permanently. It's just got the stock wheel so we could roll it forward for the rear bumper. We still had to get the tires mounted and balanced, so we're gonna work a couple more hours and then we'll get out of here.